How's it going, everybody? Right now I'm going to show a real quick video on a simple repair for a Rolair JC-10. I had a problem with it and repaired it, and I'll show you what I did and what the problem was. Okay, this is a really nice compressor. I've had it for 3 years. Unfortunately, a part burnt out. It's been running fine, this compressor, until the other day. It would pump up and then not be able to recharge once you emptied out the air. So the part I'm referring to has been replaced. It is this part, and it is called JC800-52 Solenoid Unloader. Basically, what it does is kickstarts the compressor when it has reached a certain level of air to initiate the restart and recharge back up to the certain pressure at which it is set to. So basically, this is the component. This is the porthole. The threaded attachment goes to the compressor line, and you unscrew this little guy, pull it apart. Here's all the fittings. I've taken the liberty of removing the screws out of this. And this little guy inside has a part that goes inside. I've already removed it. Anyway, a spring-loaded mechanism that this is a solenoid, and when that engages, it pulls it and closes the air valve. So what ended up happening is the electromagnet that is inside this, being a solenoid, broke somewhere inside. It's kind of a relay of sorts. The engager circuit is here, and the line comes in from the pressure regulator system. This all worked fine. This is the component that went out, and so it wouldn't pull the solenoid in, thus stopping the air from flowing. So the few tools you'll need will just be this screwdriver, a bigger one, a littler screwdriver, a pair of pliers. They don't have to be that type, but just a regular pair of pliers. You have to get in there and untighten this nut, pull this guy off. There's 2 screws inside of there that pull the sleeve off and allow the whole assembly to be, you rotate it counterclockwise off from this airline attachment, rotate the silver box off, put the new one on, and it screws all the way back down to where it faces pretty much almost flush with the bottom of there. And then when this is unplugged, the screw is engaged right now. When this is unplugged, you pull the wire out there, you reattach the wires. Now, I don't know if the polarities are specific. I put a little notch mark on the left wire to make sure it went back onto the left screw. You can mark with permanent pen or something because you have to pull it through the back end that leads up to the pressure regulator box. But anyway, put it all back together, and then don't forget to put this top screw back in. And then one of the other things, because mine's 3 years old, I did untighten this, and it's the release valve of sorts, I think. Use your pliers, untighten it, and put a couple dots of oil, work it back and forth, and then put it back on. And it was leaking, a very high-pitched leak. And so once I oiled it, put it back on, it all stopped. And now the pressure is up on this guy, and there's no leak. So all in all, it was a very quick fix. It was a pain in the butt trying to find this. I called 4 different companies to get this repaired in my area. Unfortunately, I didn't have to order out. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if this helps you at all repairing your Rolair compressor, I'm glad. It was a little bit of pain for me doing it, but I did all the hard work so you guys can see what to do if yours ends up breaking. This is the Solenoid Unloader. You can look it up online. I spent about 32 bucks on it. I got it from a shop in Lake Oswego, but you can order it online. Click here to subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care, everybody.